Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Elle, and today let's talk about REALME's latest budget offering, the REALME NARZO 50i. But first, let's go ahead and unbox this phone. So let's go. For the box, you get a simple blue packaging with some REALME branding on the front and both sides. And you can find more details about the phone on the back. Now, once you open up the box, of course you get the phone, a quick startup guide, a 10-watt charger, and sadly no USB-C cable here because we only get a micro USB cable. And lastly, the SIM ejector pin. Moving on to the phone, the NARZO 50i comes in two exciting colors. And thankfully, we got my favorite one, which is the mint green, and the other one is carbon black. And so far, this color is very pleasing to the eyes, and if you're a big fan of soft pastel colors, then this might also be your favorite variant. On the back, this one sports a plain matte finish on the upper part and a matte diagonal stripe design right below its 8-megapixel camera. As for the weight, this phone is really easy to hold and carry around, weighing about 195 grams, and it's 8.9 millimeters thick. On the right side, you can find the power button and volume rocker, and sadly guys, it has no rear or side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Moving on to the left side, where you can find the 3-card slot where you can put 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card to expand your storage up to 256 gigs of external memory. On the bottom part, you can find the 3.5mm audio jack, the microphone, and the micro USB charging port. And you're probably wondering where the speakers are. Well, it's on the back side. It has good volume loudness to it, but the higher the volume, the more the quality does get affected. So I suggest you use a pair of wired or wireless earphones for a better sound experience. But if you want to listen to its sound quality, here's an audio sample. For display, the NARZO 50i has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD screen with a 720 by 1600 resolution. And so far, it has great vibrant colors, good details, but with a slight drawback on its viewing angles as expected from a phone in this price level. But with its larger field of view, you'll definitely enjoy watching your favorite YouTube videos and Netflix shows with this phone. It also has slightly thin bezels with a thick chin. And you'll notice its 5-megapixel f2.2 front camera housed in a teardrop notch. The REALME NARZO 50i is powered by an octa-core chipset, the Unisoc SC98638, with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of expandable storage. And it runs on the REALME UI Go edition based off Android 11. And the Go version is the light version of Android, which means basic tasks for daily use should be good. And when it comes to gaming, this phone can handle titles like Wild Rift and Call of Duty Mobile at their lowest settings, though expect to encounter some slight bumps here and there. For the battery, the NARZO 50i is packed with a massive 5000 mAh battery with an 18-watt charger and special OTG reverse charge. It also has an ultra-saving mode that can help you save your phone's battery life for long hours. Having it on makes the battery last for 2 days on standby mode. And based from our battery test, the NARZO 50i lasted 10 hours of regular media consumption. And it took us approximately 3 hours to charge it up from 0 to 100. So you guys might have to wait for a while to charge up your phone or opt with a larger charger. For the cameras, the NARZO 50i is equipped with an 8-megapixel f2.0 clear camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel f2.2 selfie camera on the front. Now, there's not a lot of camera features on this phone given its budget price. However, it did deliver really great photos that you can post on Instagram, Facebook, and even content for TikTok. It has a capture mode, a portrait mode where you can adjust the aperture, a burst mode, interval, time-lapse, pro mode, and panorama. And as for video settings, this can shoot from 480p up to 1080p HD with 30 FPS. As you guys can see, the quality and colors of the photos are really impressive for its price. It has good color saturation with a tone leaning towards the warmer side. It also has a pretty good dynamic range and sharp details in good lighting. When it comes to indoor photography, some details get washed out in low light settings, but it still has good color saturation thanks to its chroma boost feature. And when it comes to video quality, the colors are fairly accurate. Sadly, this has no specific video stabilization though, but it should still be good for taking videos using a tripod or a selfie pod. Overall, you can enjoy watching your favorite content on a larger screen or scroll through your feed for long hours thanks to its lasting battery performance, and take great photos to post online using the REALME NARZO 50i. So far, it's a great smartphone to have if you're on a tight budget, but I wouldn't recommend this to heavy gamers though. The REALME NARZO 50i is priced at 6,290 pesos starting on November 26 in all REALME stores and selected partner dealers. So, what do you guys think about this phone? Comment down below and share your thoughts. Also, don't forget to check out unbox.ph for more awesome content. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more updates. Also, tune in to the Unbox PH Facebook page Friday 7 p.m. where I play different games on different phones. Once again, this was me, Elle, and I'll see you guys next time.